All right, so I'm super excited here. I've been reading a lot about ChatGPT and I thought I'd give it a stab and see if I could write something equivalent or better. I've never actually used ChatGPT. So I stayed up tonight and I wrote a web page that would perform the same functions that ChatGPT functions, and we're going to give it a whirl here. So here's the web page. It is EspieGPT to help make the world a better place. And we're going to see if we can use these AI algorithms to generate an article created by my robots here. So I have one article topic for testing purposes, and it is politics. So we're going to select that, and it is loading and writing the article, and there is the article. Okay, wait, let me try that again. Okay, there's different. Oh, wait, let's one more. There. It looks like we have achieved success. This looks like all the other BS in the news. Perfect.